Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we have a fun little thing to show you. It's a suspension bridge that we visited while we were staying in Mineral Bluff, Georgia, called the Taccoa Swinging Bridge. The bridge was built in 1977 and crosses the Taccoa River near Suches, Georgia. There are a couple ways to get there. We chose the easy way, which was perfect for hiking with a toddler. The road up to the trailhead does get pretty bumpy, but Timber really enjoyed being able to walk the trail with us.
So we're currently making our way to the Taccoa Swinging Bridge, which is apparently a local hotspot during the spring and summer. It's a little cold at the moment for us Floridians. It's about 72 degrees. I imagine the water's in the 50s and 60s. Haven't ran into a whole lot of people just yet. Actually, just one couple so far. So I don't anticipate a lot of people swimming today.
It was an easy one, less than a mile long and mostly flat, although you will come across some rocks and stumps on your way.
Watch your step in through here, Mommy, some rocks.
Woo! Nice catch! That was the most graceful fall I've ever seen.
Oh, watch your step, watch your step.
Yeah.
Mama almost let that go for clicks. So pretty out here.
Yeah, it is.
My two slow pokes. Being handed the camera and told to record the two slowest walkers in this forest. Starting with this one. Slowpoke number 1. Slowpoke number 2.
And the bridge does have some good swing to it, which you'll see when we get there.
These bugs are really loving me right now. Tim?
What you doing?
Easily distracted. Never in a hurry. And we're back.
Bambi.
Like I said, the two slow pokes in the forest.
Bambi.
Well,
Yeah, let's go get him.
we might be getting a performance. Oh,
Oops.
damn. Daddy panned away at the wrong time. Actually, or it could be the right time, depending upon. Not sure, quite sure if the microphones are picking up the sound of the water rushing, but we are getting close.
We gotta collect the rocks. Oh wow.
We found some rocks to take with us.
I've been getting murked by mosquito.
Oh, that's great. As I'm wearing, my chicken legs are exposed.
Yeah.
And I don't have chicken legs, by the way.
Hey, this way.
Pretty
You're
muscular,
gonna fall.
sir.
Ready? You can throw it? Yeah. Okay, throw it. Good job.
I'd be working out.
This way.
And we're back. I might just have to leave these two in the
Yeah.
dust.
You want me to carry you?
Mommy just made the play of the year. The weather is nice. There's like a little tree chair here.
Little creep.
Right here. Little throne of sorts. Ta-da!
Mommy and baby in a tree chair.
Oh, there's the water.
Dun da da da.
And we've made it
Steep,
to the Taccoa
steep.
Swinging Bridge. Wow. Wow. Timber is not feeling it. That is absolutely gorgeous.
On the other side of the bridge, there are some little creek waterfalls and plenty of room to hang out, explore the surrounding forest, and just enjoy this beautiful little nature spot. It was a really cool and fun little adventure, and we would definitely recommend it if you're looking for something to do in that area.
Throw it! Yes! High five! That was weak.
Go.
See that baby? See that baby right there?
Baby.
Mwah.
Baby.
Yeah, that's you. Forever our baby.
You can find directions to this trailhead on AllTrails by searching Taccoa Swinging Bridge, which I'll link in the description. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and share it. If you enjoy watching our family explore, then please subscribe to our channel. And other than that, I hope that you go do something that you love today.